How's it guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant and welcome back to Tech Scene ZA. Today we got an awesome video for you. Today we're unboxing the Samsung Q60, a 65-inch QLED smart TV with a quantum dot display. So let's begin with getting this bad beast out of the box. So built into this TV, it has 100% color, volume and with quantum dot. So that 100% color volume gives you a billion shades of color with the quantum dot, and it delivers the finest picture that Samsung can deliver. So the one thing about Samsung's smart remote, it is a minimalistic design, and it has your power button at the top, your voice assistant here, it has your multi-view over there, it has a center scroll wheel with a select, so you can go up, down, left, right and select. It has a play, smart home, back button, volume up, volume down, channel up, channel down. So the three buttons at the bottom are your quick select buttons. It's Netflix, Prime Video and your web browser. So the one thing I was upset about was the fact that YouTube isn't installed here. It would have been more convenient if YouTube was here rather than Prime Video, because most people watch content on YouTube rather than having a paid service like Prime Video. At the back of the remote, it's a very smart design where Samsung has put in a solar panel so that you don't have to worry about charging and changing batteries. You can just leave your remote on a windowsill, it will charge up during the day, and then you know you're ready to go. If there ever is a situation that you can't charge it up by solar power, it has a USB-C type port at the bottom, so you plug it in, a couple of minutes and it's fully charged up. But yeah, that's it about the remote. So besides some of the features of this TV, the specifications of the TV, it's a 6th series in the Samsung's range of smart TVs. It has a resolution of 3840 pixels by 2160 pixels. It has 3 HDMI ports built in at the back, 2 USB ports. It has an Ethernet port as well as an optical port for audio to your soundbar, as well as an HDMI ARC. Besides that, the display itself, there's not much to talk about. And I mean, with the quantum dot and the dual LED, the pictures are absolutely amazing. And I mean, with some of these animals, you could literally count the hairs or fur on the head. The Wi-Fi module built in is Wi-Fi 5, and it also has Bluetooth 5.2 installed in it. The design of the screen, as I mentioned, it is an air slim design, and the bevel type is a 3 bevel-less type. So with regards to video of this TV, it has a quantum processor light 4K picture engine, and it has quantum HDR10 as I mentioned, and it is certified HDR10 plus ready. It has mega contrast feature, and it has super UHD micro dimming. The audio on this TV is a Dolby Digital Plus, and it has a 2-channel 20 watt output on the TV itself, right? So most people go with a soundbar and people say, oh, it enhances the quality of your viewing. But I think the TV itself, it outputs, I mean, this is 20, right? Hopefully you guys can hear how crisp and how clear this audio is. And yeah, you could go for a Samsung soundbar to go with this TV, but I mean, if you're paying for the TV, you wouldn't want to outlay another 5,000 Rand just for the smart bar. But if you are up to it and you do feel that it's going to enhance your viewing quality, then go for it. But I think, you know what, the built-in speakers, it's not like you're blasting or you need to have crystal video experience, because most of the time the audio output doesn't match the equipment that you have or are viewing on. On the TV itself, the smart system is a Tizen operating system, which is Samsung's, and it has, as I mentioned, Bixby, Google, and Amazon Alexa. And as I mentioned, it supports your Samsung Gallery, it supports Samsung web browser, Samsung SmartThings. So with the smart feature itself, you can actually control smart appliances from your home. The TV itself, without the stand, weighs 20.8 kgs, and with the stand weighs 21.8 kgs. And I mean, you know what, 20 kgs for a 65-inch TV with this good quality of a display, well, it's not like you're going to be carrying the TV around every day with you anyway. Once it's up, it's going to be fixed there. But yeah, I mean, there's not much that we can say bad about this TV. It is an amazing TV, and it was an amazing experience to unbox it and actually see this picture firsthand. The price point of this TV is about 17,999, but it does go on special occasionally. Right, and as I said, the added soundbar is about 4,999 Rand, somewhere there, but that's an optional extra. But I mean, if you're purchasing the TV, and I mean, the built-in sound, you're going to enjoy the picture more, but as always, sound is everything. You can listen to a video, but you can't see a video without sound. Yeah, so it was an amazing experience, guys. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I have, reviewing and playing around with this TV. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving me a like rating if you did. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. And guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.